All right, so I don't know if y'all been keeping up with the news, but yeah, we got a lot of good news dropping today. Bitcoin is most likely going to hit 100K today. The markets is flipping in the right direction. We at pre-market right now, so the markets haven't opened. It's not 9:30 yet, but just in pre-market, there's been lots of pumps, and we just got a lot to look forward to. So if you haven't heard the news, I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you guys know and up to date what's going on, and then we go from there.
This morning, President Trump is expected to announce his first trade deal since imposing steep tariffs on dozens of trading partners. Sources tell ABC News the U.S. and the United Kingdom have come to an agreement, though the specifics are unclear. Trump previously imposed blanket 10% tariffs on all British imports, 25% tariffs on certain goods. The president says this is the first deal of many. It comes ahead of a high-stakes meeting between the U.S. and China this weekend, expected to be the first time both sides talk trade.
All right, so that's the news that came out today, but the US and the UK are pretty much in a trade agreement. That doesn't necessarily mean that there's going to be a trade deal strike today, but this does give a lot of positivity to the market, with some certainty with what's going on, because there's just been a lot of uncertainty with how these trade deals was going to go. But I've been saying this, like, it's only going to take one of these trade deals to be negotiated and talked about or even dealt for the market to just go up, and that's what we're seeing in pre-market right now. So we got a lot to look forward to. I hope you guys made some plays this week. I'm going to give you guys a little quick look on the pre-market. I'm not going to give you the full portfolio, but I'll show you guys what Bitcoin is looking like. It's highly likely that Bitcoin is going to hit 100K today because they haven't necessarily made the first official deal or announced the official deal, but it's just been announced that there are trade talks and they are in agreement, the US and the UK to be exact. So yeah, we're gonna transition to the screen recording. I'll show you guys a little bit that, and then we're just gonna wrap this up. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the account pulled up. We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making some moves right now. Like, it had some pullback. It had a little bit of a support line right around, what is that, 99,246, and then started going back up, but it peaked out at 90. No, that's not right. Let me see. Where did it peak out? 99,799 dollars. So that's where it peaked out, and then it started to pull back a little bit, gain some support around the 99,237 line right here. So yeah, we got Bitcoin is looking like it's gonna hit 100K today once Trump talks with the UK and they actually officially make the announcement to the public. So you guys, if you guys didn't make some plays, man, like I say, go ahead and make you some plays. At least try to make some plays this week. There's a lot of deals to be made, a lot of things to happen. Stay tapped in and tuned into the channel. Turn on your post bell notification. Give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment for feedback, and just tap in with O'Neal. Signing out.